Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in today's content, I'm going to tell you about the most well-rounded topic of the world, that is AI, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a revolutionary field of computer science that has significant attention in recent years, from powering virtual assistants to driving autonomous vehicles. AI is reshaping various aspects of our lives. But what exactly is AI? How does it work? So don't worry guys, AI Tech is here to tell you each and every information regarding AI. So let's delve into the fundamentals of AI, its definition, types, applications, and potential implications. At its core, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human cognition. There are various types of AI ranging from narrow, task-specific AI to general AI that can perform any intellectual task a human can. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform a specific task such as language translation or image recognition. The second one is general AI. On the other hand, possesses human-like cognitive abilities and can adapt to various tasks and situations. But how do machines learn and make decisions like humans? Machine learning, a subset of AI, allows machines to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. Neural networks, inspired by the human brain, are a fundamental component of machine learning algorithms. AI has already revolutionized various industries, from healthcare to finance, and its potential continues to expand. However, with a great power comes great responsibility. Ensuring AI is used ethically and responsibly is crucial to mitigate potential biases and ensure equitable outcomes. As we continue to push the boundaries of AI, it's essential to consider its impact on society and the ethical implications of its deployment. Artificial intelligence holds immense promise in solving complex problems and improving lives worldwide. With a careful stewardship, we can harness its potential for the betterment of humanity. Artificial intelligence, a powerful tool shaping the future of our world. I hope my video will be beneficial for you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe AI Tech. Thank you.